That's our New Year's Eve day, or New Year's Day thing. We go cut a hole in the ice and go diving.
Oh, gosh.
And yeah.
That sounds terrible.
Yeah, so we had a lot of fun with it.
I go to Denny's.
We want to make sure your underwear is clean. We have new jockey undergarments for you.
Right.
Okay. And we have plenty of shirts
where
here.
every good outfit begins.
That's right.
And we're actually doing underwater criminal investigation.
A lot of crime happen underwater?
Well, you'd be surprised.
Oh, okay.
You would be surprised. I mean,
Nobody's looking.
Yeah, I mean, well, you know.
I look like a guy in a parade or something. If a guy wearing this asked you out on a date, would you say yes?
It's been a long time since I was asked out on a date, so probably so.
Oh, okay. Excellent. So like in like a scale of 1 to 10 on the manly meter, am I like at a 5?
Any specifics?
Is there one called sit? I want to do, yeah, like rock.
First thing I'm going to teach you is how to make a proper fist. Just learning a proper fist takes years.
Just that?
To get it correct.
Oh.
To get it correct. So what I want you to
We
do
don't
is
have that kind of time today.
put your hands out like so.
This is not wholesome at all, though. There's booze up here.
That's
Look
why
at
you're
that.
shooting at it.
Oh, okay.
You're correcting their bad behavior.
Do you consider that good parenting? Teaching kids what to avoid by having them fire at it with a live gun?
Absolutely. Have you met my son?
Oh.
Flatten the palm.
Uh-huh.
Now, once again, they're going to be throwing a punch or something. This is just to
Oh, yeah,
show
I'm
you.
going to have a knife.
This is just to show you the basics. What you can do is also put your napkin.
I can do that. That should have been step 1.
Mm-hmm.
Where were you on that?
Well, I mean, colonials, I mean, like, what can you do?
Oh.
This
Yeah, I'm in trouble.
causes a lot of pain.
Yes, it does.
But I won't do that.
Thanks.
Right on cue, Todd is handing me stuff from out of frame. This is the most dangerous child amusement park ever. What is this?
Even, you know,
Oh,
nerve
jeez.
points and things like that. Like I said, there's all the different nerve points. You could come in here, you could come
jeez.
Ooh, that's nice. Oh, that's real nice. Oh, this part's good.
For the Daily Buzz, I'm Michael Moliterno.